Hi everybody, it's Lori. Welcome back to another video here at Pizazz Studios on YouTube. Today I'm doing a couple of my ornaments here for you. I'm making a beach pour on my ornaments because I'm down at my home in Florida and I'm giving these to my neighbors as gifts, and I just wanted to share with you how I go about making them. So these can be used for wall hanging as well as ornaments. They don't need to hang on a Christmas tree. They can actually go on a wall if you have like a small wall space somewhere you want to put them, or you could actually group a bunch of them together in a certain area and create a really cool wall hanging that way. I wanted to come on and just say hi. I am doing a voiceover for this video because I did not speak through it as I painted. So you'll find all my paints that I'm using and my recipes and everything down in the description box for this video if you want to go down there and read the information I've put down there for you. There's a lot of good information down there. I have information on my new Facebook group and social media accounts and all sorts of things like that. So the first color I had laid down was actually a custom color that I created to make the perfect sand color. In my opinion, I actually think it turned out very nice. And so I did torch it to remove any air bubbles, and now I'm starting to create the water. And the first color I'm using here is Brilliant Blue, and that is by Loft. The next one I'm going to put down here was Turquoise, and that was also an Loft paint. And then Liquitex Basics Aqua Green, or Bright Aqua Green, actually. And then the next one here I'm putting down is Master's Touch Turquoise Blue with a tad of iridescent medium mixed in for a little bit of a shimmer. So once I have all my paint up on my tile, I do go over it lightly again with my torch to remove air bubbles. And I just make sure that all my edges are completely covered with paint and everything like that. And I will be using a cell activator here shortly, which is going to be white. But first I wanted to use my hair dryer to move the paint around a little bit, and I wanted it to blend in more. And here I'm just using my toothpick to keep the hole clear from the paint that fell through. So I want to make sure it stays nice and clean, because after I'm done with this, I will varnish it. I may possibly even embellish it. And I want to hang a ribbon through that hole before I give it as my gift. And here I'm just adding a little bit more color into my water because I felt like when I blended it, I ended up with just way too much turquoise, and I needed some more darker blue and some aqua blue in there. So that's what I'm doing in this step. So after I played around with the water for a little bit and I have it the way I want it, I've gone ahead and put down my white cell activator, and now I'm blowing it out with a straw, creating some cells. And so now that I'm almost completed here, I have it the way I like it. I'm just torching it again one more time, making sure all my sides are covered, and then I clean up the bottom as well to remove any excess paint from the bottom of the tile. So this one is complete, so I'm going to remove it and go put it on my drying rack. And then I'm going to do one more, kind of similar but a little bit different. I'm going to use the cell activator, and I'm going to swipe it instead of using the straw this time. I pretty much have spoken about everything already, so I'll just let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll come on again towards the end.
outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Oh, oh, give me an open fire, some eggnog and mistletoe, and the sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Oh, 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 give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. Ooh, oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold.
All right, so I'm just about done here, and now I'm just taking my tile and tipping it a little bit, trying to get the water to run towards the top of the tile a little bit more. Then I clean the bottom and, clean it all off from the excess paint underneath that you'd want to remove. And I will give you a close-up here of this one. Thanks so much for joining me for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. And if you have, thanks so much. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.